Hello folks, Florida Trailblazer here, and I am checking in with you just off the Florida Trail here in Upper Hillsborough Tract. And I hiked up to the north on the Florida Trail and then back onto this multi-use trail within the preserve here. And it took me up to this trestle or railroad area here. Let's take a look at it. Looks like there's some work being done up here. I see some machines. There's the train tracks. We're near the Hillsborough River area. It's further down that way. Awesome. Out here in the middle of the wilderness, by these railroad tracks. It's really peaceful out here. Nice afternoon.